Good morning, everybody. It's Dewey Outdoors. We are heading to Deer Creek today with a buddy from work. We're going to see if we can get into the rainbow out there, and maybe later on in the day we will try and hit some smallmouth bass. But we'll see how the day goes. We're going to go head over and pick up the boat. We'll see you guys when we get to the boat ramp. Alrighty guys, we made it here. Have the boat in the water, as you guys can see. And there's Spy Jeff telling us he's ready to go.
What did yours say yours at? What?
How deep is it?
35 and a half. There you go.
Get him.
We got another one coming in, Ledger.
Just get the damn bucket.
We might have been dragging him for a minute because I thought
that
this one was hit.
quick. You got that one. No, you're making mess. No more. No more water.
I'm serious, babe. Just pee in the bucket. You'd feel a lot better.
I know.
Hit me. I dare you. No. Do not hit me. Yeah, I'm going to throw the beanie. How about that?
Hey, Jeff, can you swing that one in just a little
Are
bit?
you upsetty, Spaghetti?
You put the cranky pants on.
He said I had to get up super fucking early.
Kobe.
Here, do you want me to hold that?
There. He would have flung.
Here, I can hold it for you. Thank you. Here, come here.
Good color, though.
Come sit over here with me for a
I
second.
think rainbows are something ugly as here.
You haven't seen a chub.
Huh?
You haven't seen a chub.
Oh, he's playing her.
Do you want me to hold the... Want me to hold the bucket? Or do you want to hold the bucket?
Look like they have down.
You want to hold it? No.
Left side.
Yeah.
Your name is Nemo.
And now he's traumatized.
He already has down syndrome. No, that's going to change.
When I get back in the water before the pH is too high.
Oh, y'all are running into it. Ledger, can you say hi? You say hi?
Say hi to the camera.
Are you going to drive the...
You're gonna bonk your head on a bunch of stuff underneath there. Why'd you bonk it?
Upsetty Spaghetti!
Oh, there's one right there.
On the...
Still on it though?
Get that. Get that.
Still there?
Get down.
Should be feeling the blade drag. Ooh, you're upsetty. Oh!
Oh man! Oh man!
Walleye?
Oh man!
Oh, that's a big walleye.
Upside down!
Maybe the same fish.
Back up!
Okay.
Spider-Man!
He's got spikes on his back, so don't let him get you.
Back up! Yay!
His mouth. His
Did he get a fish?
Ooh, and I cut my worm.
Spider-Man!
If he keeps it, keep it.
You gotta do the...
Walleye goodie.
Do that!
Yeah.
Go back down!
Is there a
They're
size
golden
on that?
nuggets is what they call
Back
them.
up!
Is there a
You're
size
not
on
doing
that?
it! Go like this!
I don't think there's a size here.
Put your fingers down. Stick them out. Stick these ones out. Hold it. Shoot them.
No wonder I couldn't tell if there was anything on them. Fucking fish don't fight.
They don't usually put up a fight unless it's at night. That's why their eyes are so big, and they have a better time seeing at night than.
Oh, your gill plate's sharp too.
Yep.
Yeah, gill plates are really sharp. That's what got me.
Let him go like this to you. So he was definitely at the bottom.
Oh yeah, he definitely came from the bottom. That's his air sac.
Ew.
Might even want to try to let him breathe.
Here's your live goal.
Yeah.
Some ass I was wanting to throw today.
You need to get the hooks on there, probably the direction the hook is against, and then give it a little shake, and usually they come loose.
I think he like.
He's all wrapped up.
I need to take over.
Yeah, probably.
I don't even. He's fighting. Keep him away from the downrigger and keep him away from the motor.
Bow. He's a fighter. That's what I know.
He's got an attitude, huh?
Big old boy. Good girl. He got a good color too.